YouTube, what's happening, what it is, what it do. This is your boy, Nigga Head Money Mitch. Welcome to a brand new episode of Money Mitch TV, man. You did, man. How y'all doing today? Hopefully y'all having a good day, man. If not, man, this video right here, hopefully it bring a little joy to your day, man. I got another unboxing, man. Pick these things up. To be real, man, I ain't think these things were gonna sell like that. I mean, the black version of them didn't sell like this. So I'm like, the leather about the same on them. I'm like, but when you see these things in hand, these things is cold. Joint box, man. Thumbnail action, all that good stuff. Wow. She say money ain't gon' make it. That nigga ain't got no record deal, but I'm living straight. Got a hot down street from Holyfield, grinding get the cake. Tryna cash out on a couple meal, poker face. Anyway, the box, man, it looked like a 13. It's not, man. You did. Join 14, man. We jumping straight into these guys. We looking at them. Rip Hamilton. I can't even really call it that. Man, we looking at them white and red candy cane 14 things, man. You did. Yeah, sir. Straight like that, straight like that, straight like that. You smell me? You see how it comes. Anyway, take these things out. Hey man, I ordered these things in too, man. One of my junks ain't had this, man. I'm slick mad. But, yes sir, jumping straight into these things. Candy cane. Ooh, these mug is tough. Oh my God. In hand, these look a lot better than picture. Picture do not do this shoe justice. This thing is butterscotch soft on the leather on these guys. Oh my God. Let me see if that one could pick it up for you. This right here, me just touching this. Ooh, boy. Just picture goddamn. Just picture a memory foam leather. And how soft this mug is. This thing is dope. Jumping straight into these guys though, man. All white laces, all white upper. Red drip throughout that guy on the midsole. I like the red color on these. Take a look at the back. Check that back end out. We got the 2-3 and the Jumpman logo in black on these guys. Red does hit the top part of that bit. And looking at the outsole, all white. Little hint of black on that pod, black on that carbon fiber, and the rest is history. Like I said, this leather on these things is stupid, dope, soft, no flat, no cap. That's what made the shoe. If they didn't have the leather on it, I don't think these would be that fire. Toe does have that smooth cow-ass leather, but it ain't really hard. It is smooth, and it's definitely a little plush. It's not hard. It's not hard. It's not soft. It's just in between, right on the fence. Other than that, little hint of black on that tongue. You smell insole. Black Jumpman logo insole on these guys, man. What is y'all thoughts about these 14? Did y'all think these things were gonna sell like this? Did y'all think they were gonna sit? Do y'all like the red color on them? Let your boy know something. I ain't gonna cap. I ordered these things in. Then you know how you order something, then you be like, dang, why I do that? I kinda was gonna take these back once I got them. But now just looking at them in hand, these things are dope, man. No flex. These is no cap. These is hard. Y'all know what's going on with these, man. Jumpman logo on the side of these guys. Little hints of the little lay tips. The silver. You smell me. What y'all thought though? Y'all like it? W, L. Leave your thought comment below, man. If y'all have not liked this video, please like the video for your boy, man. I appreciate y'all. If y'all haven't subscribed to the channel, man, subscribe for your boy, man. definitely appreciate y'all. Let somebody know, let somebody else know about the kid, man. You did, man. That's how we keep this thing going, man. Money Gang in the comment section. Spend on the money bags, the Money Gang sign, man. I appreciate y'all, man. What I think, man, these, y'all done seen the other white and red shoes I picked up this week. Maybe I should compare them and see which ones. I don't know, bro. I don't know. What y'all think? These or the Tinker 3s? Which one is y'all like better? I ain't gonna lie. One thing I hate about tennis shoes, this is almost like my one major pet peeve. I got like 2 shoes that like this, and it's also 14. Is I hate the white midsole, outsole. I hate that. Like that combination of like the midsole and the outsole being white. It's almost impossible to keep these things clean, man. I mean, like, when you wear them, man, you might as well just kiss it goodbye, man. Cause it's gonna be almost damn near impossible just to keep this white clean like on these shoes. But man, other than that, man, this is a dope shoe, man. Like I said, I probably won't be wearing it like that anyway. So it is what it is. But man, drop a like, comment, man. Subscribe to the video, man. Subscribe to the channel. I'm sorry. As always, man, like your boy I always tell you, man. That me, like I always tell you, man. Like what you rock, man, and rock what you like, man. Cha-ching, gang, man. We out.